Duke, man. I've been looking everywhere for you. What are you doing?
Oh man, just resting, bro.
Rested? Well, yeah. You're rested up now. We got stuff to do, man. So let's go.
Got stuff.
We got to rectify a problem, man. Last Sunday, it was an injustice. We can't stand for it.
Last Sunday, that was a day ago, right?
Something like that, man. Come on. Quit screwing around. We got stuff to do, man.
Right on. Also, I was thinking, I don't think it was fair that they got to use weapons and we didn't.
I know, this is exactly what I'm talking about, and you're 100% right. It wasn't fair, and we should be the ones with the weapons. So we're going to go take care of this thing. Post haste. Now.
Get Rudo and Apollo on the phone.
Yeah. Here. Put these on. And, man, take that thing off, man. I told you, you ain't about that life no more.
Sorry.
Get your jacket. And come on.
There's beer cans in the door, man. I'm driving.
Okay. Let's get something to eat, man, but that one ain't ready yet.